See that? That's stainless steel. I've tried everything to clean this. Different cleaners, soaking it overnight, superheating it, power washing, vinegar, baking soda, you name it, wire brush. So I'm going to try this DeWalt drill brush. See if I can clean it with that. Let's see what happens. Going high speed. It's actually working. A little hard to control. Look at that. You can actually see the stainless steel again. Better to hold it with two hands. Look at that grime. That's doing a good job. Vertical. I was doing most of it at an angle. Brush is in good shape still. Still some down in here. It's going to be hard to get to with this thick of brush. All right. Give that a double thumbs up. Finally, still some on there, but I'll try to burn the rest of it off now. I like at least a halfway decent cooking grate. That's 17 years of grime on there. Like I said, I've tried to clean it a couple times, but I've never fully cleaned it. Could never get it all the way off. Okay, this is the second one. I'm getting a good feel for it now. Pressing a little firmer, both into the grill and with my two hands. You can see it is coming clean. Coming at an angle to the bar. Going either direction. coming up. What's nice about this is it gets this side and this side, both sides of these bars at the same time because of the thickness of the brush. Let's take a look at when I rinse these off. Make sure there's no metal burrs. You see how much black junk will come off. Okay, I already rinsed the first one off. Put this in here. And watch what comes off of this thing. So I'm going to rinse them off and put them back on the grill and heat them up. You can actually see the stainless steel again. No more carbon gunk. Put them in the Weber grill, and you see how much cleaner they are compared to the surrounding pieces. I'm going into the sunlight here, but this right here, vaporizers, that's stainless steel also. I don't think I'm going to bother cleaning those because they just sit in the bottom. Try to heat things that fall on them. See the difference in color. All right, let's turn this on. All right, we got the fire on. We're just gonna let those heat up and come back and scrape them down. Close it up. Let's look at what came off here. I did them pretty quickly. Look at that. How nice that is. Probably try it again in another month.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da.